Hey guys, so today we are going to be making creamy spinach sauce which can be eaten with steaks or any other chicken, baked chicken maybe. So we're gonna start with cooking the spinach. I have cut the spinach into smaller pieces so that it gets dried up quickly, but you can use the whole spinach leaves. Put them in the pot, cook it on high heat. The water will evaporate and you'll get a nice tiny little portion of the spinach. Once you're done with that, you should slice an onion. I am using one whole onion. Just roughly chop it up. Just take the saucepan in which you boiled your spinach and add a bit of butter in it, roughly about 100 or 150 grams, and wait for it to get dissolved. Then add the chopped onions in it. You just need to saute them a bit just so that they can change their color. Not really changing their color, but just get a bit soft so that you can proceed further. You can also hammer the onions a bit so that they can get dissolved easily. Side by side, take out your spinach in a strainer which you had cooked on high heat and let it get dry on the strainer for around 10 to 15 minutes so that you can proceed to dry it through paper towel. Once all the visible water content is dried out, just gently place it over a paper towel and squeeze it just so that all the water content is out, because we don't want any liquid in the spinach when we are putting it in the sauce. Once your onions are soft, put in some all-purpose flour just to make the sauce a bit creamy. I'm using bigger spoons, so you can add it around half a cup of it. After adding the flour, just stir it a bit on medium flame. Now put in a bit of cold milk in it and mix it well. Once the mixture is good, add the rest of the milk. This is around one whole glass of milk, around 300 ml. Mix it well and make sure that there are no lumps left in it. If the need be, add some water in it and make sure the consistency is just like this. Now add the dried spinach in it and you are almost done. Make sure that you mix it in well and cook it for around another 4 to 5 minutes on low flame, and your creamy spinach sauce is ready to eat. Thanks for watching.